Guard. Hello there, traveler. Welcome to the Safe State microphone. That's Larry the Librarian. Why, hello there, traveler. I was just looking at some ancient writings. My friend Homer is working on a story of his own. I can't wait to read it. I think he will call it the Odyssey. Barry the Blacksmith. Oh, hello there, traveler. I'm just making some supplies, as I am the trained blacksmith. Mouse the seamstress. Hello, traveler. I was just making some clothes for citizens of our city. Rapunzel the cleaner. Hello, traveler. I was just cleaning out the sparrow. We'd like to keep our city state nice and clean. Citizen. Hello, traveler. I'm praying to the god of war. Hopefully, he will keep the mushroom safe state from attacking. Citizen. Hello, traveler. I was just praying to the god of fire. Citizen. Hello, traveler. I was just watching the Soldiers Brawl. This is the training ring where we teach our cadets to fight. Keep that shield up, soldier. Cadet, yes, captain. Cadet, yes, captain. Oh, hello, traveler. I'm in charge of sea safety. We have strong city walls and also a Navy boathouse. Sheldon the councilman. Oh, hello there. I'm in charge of mining facilities. Our city state is known for producing excellent ores and minerals. King Sheep. Thank you for helping us rebuild our great city state. Of a microphone from the house to the training ring, the council room to the temple. You have truly helped us return to glory. Please honor us by accepting a seat on the council. Thank you, violent hero.